Welcome all of you in the fourth video of the module conformal and bilinear transformation. So in the third video I have explained the definition and few properties of conformal mapping. Now I have one problem. Discuss the image region in W plane of the first quadrant of the Z plane bounded by the axis and circle mod Z equal to A, mod Z equal to B, where A and B are positive, under the mapping W equal to Z square, and is the transformation conformal? So this is the question. So now let us use the polar coordinate. So mod Z equal to A, so this W will be, mod W will be A square, and mod Z equal to B, so image will be mod W equal to B square. So the curve in Z plane will be B mod Z less than A, so the curve in the W plane will be B square mod W A square. So this is the circle. Now let us see the angle. So W equal to Z square. So if W equal to R e power I phi equal to small r square e power 2I theta, so which imply phi equal to 2 theta, and since the curve in the first quadrant, so theta will be 0 to pi by 2, so your theta range is 0 to pi by 2. If you multiply by 2, so 0 2 theta less than pi, so this 2 theta is phi now, so 0 phi less than pi, so your phi is 0 to pi. It means your image curve will be in upper half plane above the real axis, above the real axis. So if you draw the curve, so this will be, so this is the A, this is the B. Now this is the curve in the Z plane. If you find out the image plane, so in the image in the W plane, so this will be, this is the A square, this is the B square, and this will be the whole plane. So this is your, this is the U, this is the V, so this is your image curve, and this is your domain curve in the Z plane, and this is the W plane. And the next question, whether this is the conformal or not. So W equal to Z square, so this is the analytic function, and the derivative dW by dZ equal to 2Z, and this won't be 0 in this region, it won't be 0 in this region, so this not equal to 0. So when the function is analytic and derivative is not 0 in that particular region, so we say Fz is conformal mapping, conformal in that region. So here Fz is conformal. Now let us discuss bilinear transformation.